Hey guys, just wanted to show you my Orchidarium project. It is a project where I've got my orchids and tree fern, which will eventually have 5-foot fronds, some Venus flytrap seedlings, and some other cool stuff that are tropicals that need a bit more humidity and controlled environment than most other plants, houseplants that we have. So what I did is I have an electric imp right here that is has sensors for right now it's got humidity and temperature as well as soil moisture kind of in the back there. It's a little hard to see. Um, I was going to have the wind sensor, air flow sensor basically, and a light sensor, but they were kind of difficult to implement. There's some calibration issues that I came across. But anyways, so the idea is that this electric imp could be packaged up in its own little solution that people could buy for they have their own growing environments, and then just plug and play with their own little sensors. They could buy the sensors separately. They could also buy the control unit, which is basically a mechanical switch, a mechanical relay that is taking input from the electric imp right now to just turn this thing. Right now it's just cycling every 5 seconds on and off. And they could hook those sensors, or the sensor data basically, up to this this switch, and that would control fans, control humidifiers, control lights, like this 100-watt LED that I've made. Just got a little heat sink on the back and a fan to wick away the lot of heat that it puts out. It's about as bright as a car headlamp, and then that's just the power converter there. So they could buy that, just plug in through kind of normal power outlet, and then this whole thing through the software just starts controlling, and it lets them pick what temperature ranges, what these different sensor ranges to start controlling these things at, or if they should just stay on, off, if they should be cycling like they are, like the fan is right now, without actually getting input from the sensor data, things like that. Make it just easier for kind of horticulturalists, gardeners to get more control over their growing environments. So yeah, that's basics of the project, and now I'll show you the software and the website.